Students, can you see what it is? Yes, a fan is moving and balloon is also. Now, so can you guess why the fan? Yes, the fan is moving because I have switched it on. And when the fan is moving, then the air I am getting. Okay, so the moving air is called wind. So, today we are going to read chapter 15, Air and Water. Now, let's do this one. Now, see. Observe the pictures given below. Take the pictures of objects that need air to give them shape. So, in balloon, the balloon gets the shape. Yes, when you blow it, then it is inflated. Yes, that is it. Shape is changed. Earlier, when we have not blown this balloon. See, this balloon I have not blown, so it is very small in shape. Now, when I blow it, its shape will change. Now see this, I am blowing it, okay? See, this balloon, its shape changed. Now I will throw it. See, I have taken out the air. Now its shape again changed. So like this. So the shapes can be changed like this football also. Yes, its shape is changed when the air is blown into it. Then this tire, your cycle tire, you have bicycle, most of you have bicycle I think. So that's small bicycles, they have plastic tires, but some bicycles, okay, they have rubber tires. So the rubber tires are filled with air. So they have air tube inside it. Okay. So what you will do, you will tick it. So this one you will tick. Then this football. Then this one tire. And see the plastic air bubbles. Yes, here the air is inside it. So this plastic is mostly when in packaging, okay, in packaging of delicate things. So this plastic has been changed here, air bubbles are there. Okay, so this also you can tick it. Clear? So just now I said what? That you have seen the fan was moving, no? Now see here, let us read this. Air around us. We cannot see air but can feel it. Yes, when the fan was moving, I cannot see the air but I can see the fan is moving and I can feel it. I feel the cold air. Yes, so you also, when it was hot, in hot summer days, what we most of us ask, what we do, we use fans, ceiling fans or table fans, so we get cold air from fan. So we cannot see the air but we can feel it. Okay, now read this. Air fills space and gives shape to things. Yes, so just now I showed you the air in the balloon. It gave the shape to the balloon. As much as you blow it, it will blow bigger, the balloon. Yes. Now, let's read this. Air helps to move things from one place to another. Moving air is called wind. Okay, so when the air moves, it is called what? Wind. Moving air is called wind. We should remember, moving air is called wind. And air also helps to move different things. Like, see, for example, let's read. For example, it helps a kite to fly. It also helps a sailboat to move on water. Now see, this little girl, she's flying the kite. So I think some of you have flight kite. So the kite flies high up in the sky when there is wind. Okay, so wind helps to fly. Now this sailboat, see, this sailboat is moving because the air is blowing here, that is wind is blowing and it is moving. Okay, so this is sailboat. So wind also helps the sailboat to move. Now read this. A gentle wind is called a breeze. So when the very slow wind, mild wind is blowing, then it is called breeze. Okay, a gentle wind is called a breeze. A very strong wind is called a storm. A very strong when there is long, very, okay. So very strongly the wind is blowing, it blows the storm, it blows many trees, then small hearts also it can blow. The hard winds is called what it can say, the strong wind is called a storm. Okay, and a gentle mild wind, okay, very slow wind, gentle wind is called a breeze. Now let's turn the page. Now let us read this. Uses of air. We need air to breathe. Yes, we all know without air we cannot live. Air is very important to us. We are getting oxygen from the plants, that is, the plants they give oxygen. Okay, then in the air, from the air we are taking the oxygen for our breath. Now put your hands on your chest. You will notice it is move up and down as you breathe. Similarly, plants and animals need air to breathe. So when you are breathing, you can feel it. Okay, you can feel it when you are inhaling. So when you are inhaling, then you can feel the air inside. It is going inside it. And you are taking out the air, you can feel it. And you know that animals and plants also need air. So plants need air so that they can make their food. So plants make their food in presence of air, sunlight, water. Okay. And animals, they breathe oxygen from the air. They get the oxygen from the air. Now, read this. Dust and smoke coming from factories and vehicles make the air dirty. Can you see this? The smoke coming from the factories. Okay. And the vehicles also. From the vehicles also smoke comes out. So you can see in the picture. So it makes the air dirty. Then if we live in dirty air, then what will happen? We will become sick. We will have breathing problems. Now read this. See, breathing dirty air can make us unwell. So what should we do to make the air clean? Yes, now read this. Trees help to keep the air clean. We should plant more trees and take care of them. Okay, so you should always remember the trees help the air clean. They give us fresh air. So you should plant more trees around your house. Okay, now read this. Water. Plants, animals, and human beings need water to live. So water is also an important part of our life. Without water also we cannot live. Plants, animals and humans all need water to live. Uses of water. We need water to do many things. We use water for drinking, washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking and putting out fires. So for the plants also, for watering the plants also water is needed. Yes, so putting out the fire. See this fireman, what it is doing? Yes, he is putting out the fires. Okay, fire. So fire is being put out by the water. So water is very important. We do so many things with water. So from where this water is coming? Let's read this now. come to the next page. See here, sources of water. Rain is the most important source of water. Some other sources of water are rivers and lakes. So you have seen rain. So when the rain is the most important source of water, is the main source, okay? It is the pure form of water, rain. Rainwater is the fresh water we are getting from rain. Some other sources of water are rivers and lakes. Okay, you have seen the lakes and the rivers. These are also the sources of water. Now, water is also found under the ground. We dig wells to get underground water. So, in many villages, you can see this well are still in use. Okay, so when we dig underground water, we get it from the wells. Okay, now read this. So, clean water. We should always drink clean water. Yes, it's true. Will you drink a dirty water? Will you drink dirty water? No, you cannot drink, or you will not drink only. So, if you drink dirty water, then you will become sick. You will have so many health problems. Yes, you may have stomachache, vomiting. So, you should not drink dirty water. We should always drink clean water. Drinking water should be kept covered in clean containers. Yes, all of you should remember. So, drinking water, where the water you are using, it should be covered and it should be kept in a clean containers. Okay, containers are the things like you are keeping it in the bucket, okay, tumbler, so that or in the vessels, okay, jars or the jug. So it should be covered and the container should be clean. We should not waste water. Yes, you know, in the earth, in the whole world, there are the full of water, but all water we cannot drink. Okay, there seas, oceans, so many waters are there, but we cannot so much of water. It is full of water, the world, but we cannot drink all water because the ocean waters or the sea water is salty. It is so you cannot drink it, the saline water. So water for drinking water, it's so very in small amount it is available, a little amount. So we should not waste water. We should save water. We should not make the sources of water dirty. So yes, you should also be careful that you should not make the sources of water dirty. Like people, what they are doing, they are throwing the garbage in the rivers on or the from the factories also, you know, or the big industries, all the waste are they are throwing in the river, lakes. So you should not do this. What they should do, they should, before throwing the dirty water in the rivers, or they should treat it, they should go filter it. Okay, that is, they should make the water, they should take out all the chemicals and toxics from the water. Okay, they should treat the water and then they should send it in the rivers or oceans or seas. So you should always remember that we should always drink clean water, and drinking water should be kept covered in clean containers, and we should not waste water. Okay. So dear students, today you will read this chapter. Okay. Now let's read these words to know. Wind, moving air. Storm, very strong blowing wind. Well, a deep hole dug to draw water present under the ground. Breeze, a gentle wind. Now, dear students, let's do the exercise. Exercise number 8. Turn the page. Now see here, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Air gives dash to some objects. So, what does it give? Air gives shape or color? Yes, the answer is shape. Air is needed by dash to live. So, only animals or plants and animals? Yes, the answer will be plants and animals. So, air is needed by plants and animals to live. Dash and dash can make the air dirty. So, what can make the air dirty? Yes, smoke and dust can make the air dirty. Number 4, we use a dash to get underground water. So, what it is? The answer, lake or well? Yes, the answer is well. Number 5, we should drink dash water. So, what we should drink? Yes, we should drink clean water. The answer is clean. So, okay, dear students, so you will read chapter 15 and you will do exercise A. Okay, dear. Bye-bye. Take care.